How to place a withdrawal in 1xbet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the 1xbet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to place a withdrawal in this app, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Next up, at the top right corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Once you are in the settings page, over here you can see this withdraw option. Tap on it. From here, you can withdraw funds into your preferred destination. There are different options where you can withdraw money from. There are different e-wallets, payment cards, different payment systems, cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency are not available in my region, so it is not showing up. So it will give you the payment options according to the region you are in right now. So you can select your preferred method where you want to withdraw the money from. Let's say if I want to select this e-wallet transfer, I'll select this. It will give me the option how much fund do I want to withdraw. You can select your desired amounts. And you need to keep in mind that you must have enough sufficient fund in your account for withdrawing. Only then after you can withdraw the amount. So after that, you can tap on continue and follow the further process. So that's it. That's how we can easily withdraw funds from 1xbet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.